Hi, welcome to this unique ordering simulation. Throughout the world, there has been a lot of research conducted on the purchasing process, but very little research on the purchasing professionals themselves. The ordering simulation is probably the first of such kind of research in India. I am Piyush and I am going to take you through the steps of the research concept, the simulation concept, starting the simulation and working with the simulation. The simulation concept is that each of you would be a retailer selling a highly perishable product. At the beginning of every period, based on a forecast and based on some other data which is provided to you, you're supposed to place an order for some amount of goods. You would get everything that you order for. So if you order 100, you will get 100. If you order a million, you will get a million. If the demand is more than the order, it's a missed sale opportunity. All such opportunities are lost forever. So you cannot satisfy an unsatisfied customer the next day. It's lost. Same thing, if the order is more than the demand, the excess inventory has to be scrapped on that day as per the given scrap value. Excess inventory cannot be carried over to the next period. And the demand follows a particular pattern. Some data on this would be provided to you. Starting with the simulation. You would be emailed a specific web address where you would have to go to start the simulation. As soon as you go to this web address, you will encounter a screen which looks something like this. It would have auctions as the header and a list of available auctions. You should select the auction which has been mentioned to you in your email. So here I would select this auction, which is your company ordering simulation, and click select. So the first step would be to go on the given web address. On the auctions page, select the specific simulation and click select. After doing this, please log in with your official email ID and the password would have been emailed to you. Here I'm going to log in with my Gmail ID, piyushasha@gmail. Please feel free to write to me in case you want some more details, and a password. So I would log in to come to this screen, which is the simulation instructions. So as soon as we log in, we would come to the simulation instruction screen. A paper version of the screen, the instructions would be available. The soft version can also be accessed throughout the simulation in case you would need it. So here you would have the concepts of the simulation, a pattern of the demand for some previous months. The current month would follow the same pattern as given here. When you scroll down, you would see a button for starting the session. Click on this button to start the simulation. So if we follow the steps, we come to the screen of starting the simulation. Now working with the simulation, the three important prices: the selling price, the price at which you as the retailer would sell the goods to your consumers. The cost price is the price at which you as the retailer would buy it from the wholesaler, and the scrap value is the value at which the unsold goods, remember we said all unsold goods have to be scrapped in the same round, would be sold. If the scrap value is not mentioned, it can assume to be zero. The goods have to be scrapped at zero value. Step 2. Based on the pattern and whatever other considerations you might have, you are supposed to place the order. So I would say order 30 units and say order. The next screen asks me to confirm or change my order. So after an order, I have the next option, which is either to confirm or change my order. Here I go and confirm my order. So it tells me that the real demand was 20 units. I had ordered 30 units. I made a profit of 2000 rupees, and because of the excess inventory, which was 10 units, I lost 1000 rupees. So after this screen, which displays the actual demand and my performance, I should click on continue to go to the next day or the next round. So here I have a performance, my transaction history. So in period 1, this is how the order was 30, the demand was 20, there was an excess inventory to the turn of 1000 rupees and the net profit was 2000 rupees. Now let's say here I order 22 units. I place my order and confirm it, and this tells me that the demand was 25, the profit was 3300, but I missed a sale of 450 rupees. I click continue again and come to the third week for the cycle to continue. So this particular simulation is for 30 weeks. You would have a simulation as per your design. So we click on continue till the entire simulation ends. Keep going through the cycle. I'll collect the data, and as soon as I meet you after the simulation, we'll discuss some aspects about it. Enjoy the simulation and see you on the other side. Thank you.